Hi everyone. AI is advancing rapidly, and now there are tools that claim they can clone an entire website just from a URL. Today we are testing three such tools: Lovable, Bolt.new, and V0 by Vercel. We will see if they can clone an entire website, we'll compare their results, analyze their accuracy, and see how well they perform in real world use. The links to all these tools are in the description below. Let's get started. We will start with Lovable, and for this test, we are going to use Amazon.com, one of the most complex e-commerce website. Let's see how these AI websites clone Amazon. For that, I'll write a prompt here: clone Amazon.com, include homepage, product listing, and cart page, maintain original colors, fonts, and layout. Let's copy this prompt, enter it here, go to bolt.new, paste that same prompt, submit it, go to V0, paste the same prompt, and submit. Let's see how much time these websites take and how are their results. We can see here Lovable has already started generating code for that. It is generating code for homepage, product listing, and let's see how's Bolt.new doing. It is also running some scripts and generating code. V0 has actually taken a screenshot of Amazon and started building based on that. So this is amazing. But let's wait for the results. Lovable is still working. Bolt.new has finished. So let's check out its results. We'll go here and make it full screen. This is a website it has generated. Brand name here, search bar, products, and a cart button, and a banner with welcome, shop now, and it has added some products with add to cart. If I press add to cart, nothing is happening, so we can give another prompt to make it work. But let's see if others have finished. Lovable has also finished. This is even better. We can see here it has a search bar, Amazon name, cart, sign in, hero image, and the navigation for shop by category, and some product listing. This is good. Let's check out the result from V0. Let's see in full screen. Wow, this is amazing. So V0 has created the website. You can see it has update location, and you can see the search bar, a button for sign in, return and orders, very similar to original Amazon.com, and a cart button. So here V0 has done an amazing job. It has a navigation bar, but it has not added any placeholder images here. Let's ask these tools to add to cart button and a checkout page. Now add a button to add item to cart, and a checkout page where user can edit the item quantity. Let's copy this prompt and give it to Bolt as well. Bolt already has add to cart, but it's not functioning, so I'll add that, and to V0 as well. Let's see how these AI tools perform on a follow-up prompt. So here it has added add to cart button. Pressing add to cart button shows added item to the cart. Going to the cart, we can see the item has been added. We can reduce the quantity, increase the quantity, or delete item from the cart. Continue shopping, goes back, add item to the cart. Now I have added smartwatch into the cart. Let's check out our cart. And here it is. This is great. Increasing the quantity also increases the price, and you can proceed to checkout. This is perfect. Let's see how Bolt.new did. Let's go to the full screen. And here are the results from Bolt.new. Adding item to the cart. Clicking add to cart does not work. So it didn't understand the prompt correctly. So let's see how V0 did. So it didn't add any add to cart button. So in my opinion, none of these tools are perfect. They won't give you a pixel perfect website, but they are amazing for quickly bringing ideas to life. If you need a prototype or a starting point for your design, These tools can save you hours of manual work. Another thing I would highly recommend you to try it out, go to the dashboard of lovable.com or any of these websites and check out featured projects. You can see some cool projects like this one. A user has created Fit Mind Care, some healthcare related project, and you can check out what they have done. And even you can read the prompts they have given. So this is a very cool way to get inspiration from others' work and you can build upon it. Let's check out some other projects on V0 as well. You can go here. You can check out in view all and see others projects here. For example, this user has created a Microsoft Paint that you can try it out. This is cool. All right, that's the comparison of these websites. The links to all the tools used in the video are in the description. And if you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tool reviews. See you in the next video. Thank you.